ezemidlalo azishe guys ndingulinge uzizi ugcwabe niyayazi xa nibona mina nibona ezemidlalo azishe today nje lapha eDen Qeqe kulapho khona kuzobedlala khona igame ezi6 babizibiza bathi Kasi Derbies ningayindawo masibokeleni ezemidlalo zonke ziyasha ezemidlalo guys azishe ngilapha eDen Qeqe sadlala ke iKasi Derbies next to me the winning captain uZukisa brother unjani namhlanje
ndiziva ndonwabile kodwa ke igame yona khange ndonwabele amajita I think besingako prepared igame namhlanje khange sidlale olhlobo besiqala udlala ngalo igame last week bibhetere but igame namhlanje bingayo game yethu le
yeah even so first half there was a bit of errors zenu first half after the let try one early first half then second half Monsters was on top of you guys
abazile second half anzoyiphika lonto kodwa ke bebangasoza baphume nje kwelibala nangona bebenqenqeza kodwa iBombas libala lalo yini.
Yeah, as you mentioned, the second half you came strong. I'm not sure what the coach said to you guys. I have time talking.
Usixelela ucoach naye ke ucoach wethu ngucoach on a straight talk. Xa ibona into wrong usixelela imistake esizenzileyo sizamile kodwa uzilungisa impazamo yenzeke into sabuya.
Yeah. Le win kuwe as a captain ithile machiteni.
Happy kakhulu. Win is a win but. Happy kakhulu ndiyonwabele nyani. So uqhubeke sijonge match elandelayo ngoku.
Yeah, week 2 lo match elandelayo.
Match elandelayo angayazi basidlala nantoni but nayo lesiza kuyo siyayibulala kodwa imzaphinda isimise ngoku.
KP all the best man, good luck there. Guys ezemidlalo azishe winning captain uZukisa Sicalele now being joined by the losing captain. KP I could saw during the week would had that one hi Makumkhweba so and then they came
no igame enjoyile yona.
Yeah,
to be honest now ubonile apha thina sabana bomqhubi sithi umnqosho abantwana manabo yaqhayisa sibenomzimba into ndiqaphela iplayers amzoyikile ne kuba iBombas ke idlala kwinantsika kwileague engenhla kuthi so banikela respect otherwise to be honest ibe ilaki nje ezitry zonke because it's not about iBombas mhlawumbe ibifit okanye yenze more than thina besifit besiwe more than bona qha sibasoyikile and next time so to make sure ba yonke into sayilungisa kakuhle balini.
Yeah, as you mentioned next time what have you learned namhlanje so that next time for igame yenu Derbies nibe ready for yona.
Into endiqaphele namhlanje iplayers funeka make sure umuntu xa ijona opening yakhe akayoyiki.
Yeah,
because xa sodibanise ishoulder nendoda iza phansi because nesitya umngqusho la amadoda akhula ke nestamina sikhula umngqusho ezilalini so into efana senzile namhlanje kuba phambi kwendoda sibeke indoda egadeni sibeke phansi sixuthene ibhola because amandla besinawo up advantage ibe yethu qha ishots ke ilaki nelaki ke bakwazi usipenetrate then baziconvert ezona ezo chances zabo thina chances zininzi kakhulu esiziyekileyo apha zininzi kakhulu kuba besiziconvertile zonke nansi i-chances besinazo apha ngesiyityile iBomba mhlawumbi ngeyichithile nematch naye iyayazi and every time ayidibane nansi ke ne-Morning Stars idibana nabantwana batyongqusho.
KP all the best man, good luck enkosi.
Congratulations inansi iBombas.
So ezemidlalo guys azishe ningayindawo sizoba nazo i-captains 4 upcoming games is 2 upcoming games that means 2 captains ezizayo bezemidlalo azishe uzizi azishe ezemidlalo guys ziyatsha siselapha kwibala le history at the stadium. You know the legends simokwele bala sikulo namhlanje lo mhlaba sikuwo ngongo but next to me the captain yeKwaru as much as they lost athi how ibinjani match namhlanje.
Imatch ibimandi kakhulu. Just few mistakes esifuneke sozilungisa ejimini and kuyoko sidinga kuba sonke siye ejimini so that sizozilungisa ezi mistakes otherwise bengakhonto kwimanga ibonile nayo otherwise next time kwi-league sizadibana and xa sidibana kuzocaca bangubani ikwekwe emadodeni.
Nam ndafuna cace take us through to the game. You don't know that makes you guys even score match in 14-7 it's not a big margin for game Rabi.
I think I problem kwi breakdowns ne offsides because the players I think they're starting kakhulu fitness because bebe pancha tabe panchile and then no referee ayinike imami inansi penalty which is ke ukilende sibethileyo thokwaza tries zaba sifumene but sifuna ulungisa lonto siqala Monday then ubheka phambili ezodibana nathi ke ukudibana nathi ready.
Ku week 2 weKasi Derbies lo namhlanje going forward inoni ni promise iKwaru supporters.
I-supporters zethu safuna uzibona happy.
Yeah.
Si kule 2 games si disappointed kakhulu.
Yeah.
So sixelele ba igame elandelayo emveni kwale ayiphinde yenze kubheka phambili and ke ngoku sekuzoqala league so we have basigrind kangako sinako ejimini so that i-results izobonakala.
Khulu, all the best, man. Next game, Shosho, we'll be clear. Guys, it's Azishe. As you see, you are too disappointed, but next to me now, the winning captain, all the way from Motherwell. Stare up, runners, Motherwell, well, 17. Is the winners with it.
Yeah. Pura yami mandi game yabo but ke thina asanga apha nje ngozodlala ikasi derby or say friendly game. We are here to set the tone.
Okay.
Yeah. Sibonakalisa ba ngobani ikasi Kings.
Yeah.
Asanga uzodlala nje abisizo set tone for the season. Sizawudibana nekwaro but ke mistake I level ye fitness is low because mistake ezizenzayo zezabantwana abancinci but ke will get there.
Yeah. As Coach Ela mentioned that some new players as well zidlale namhlanje. Injani the balance?
Di happy mna kakhulu zezam because you can see by potentially khona because most of the players zethu azikho azikabi ready for udlala games. Maybe next week zizoba khona then ke sizawucheck I-combination kuzo ne-players zethu ezintsha which is promisayo. Then we will see next week. Maybe nizobona igame esishushu next week. Babe-ready abaza kuthi next week.
Yeah, tell them about I don't saw a few people from Motherwell, but when babazi kwesi game is so the support needs nine. Could hear ikwaro first saboteurs we came in.
Maybe bebesoyika against iKwaru since siluzile against iRose but guess babizile bazobuya ngokubazoza apha iMotherwell izoma ngenyawo pha kuzawuviwa ngathi apha. We are here to set the tone.
Brother, good luck, man. Quick them at the ring. Sure, Sarah, guys, Sarah, Australia, but I'm not well, Pumile, Yona, as long as my friend, as long as to just Uzolala, just set I told for a season now, a grand challenge. Ninga in now, I've got the coaches. Guys, the middle of Yacha, it ain't the Yas, but Gadalo up today. Just watch a game, be tense. I could say be tense. Yamgela, as much as guys you lost, but you have pushed in the team, Yako. What it means going to play Ikaslam debuts.
It feels great to play Kasi debuts, but unfortunately today we were on the losing side. Closer either way. But from this game we'll take the positives. Sibulele good Rose for the game. Hopefully we will correct our mistakes and come back stronger. Yeah.
Lucky enough, you're mentioning mistakes. Gaba, what are those mistakes that you think that Cindy Costello came in?
I think overall he came here to try to play like individually. It was individually. We were not playing as a team. You could see there's a point that there's one individual brilliance. Then he pinned Moshaga, pinned. Yeah, we're not playing as a team as much as a team effort was there, but we're playing individual rugby most of the time. Yeah.
All the best man for this game. Good luck. Ne?
Yeah. Thank you, Mka.
So Yamgela, guys, Yamgela is the captain of his video United. Yamgela game as much as they played, but they lost. Kushkudi, why they lost? Being by a teamwork. Therefore, if ever the boy teamwork based in Sila Kwana Payan, they could have won the game. But next to me, I'm showing with the winning coach, winning captain, actual, all the way from New Pride, guys. I think it's sweet. It's usually quite a bet. What it means, brother, to win the game against Sweden.
It means a lot to us because we see Chile on Facebook. We're going to beat Sweden because based on indlela ehlala ngayo nendlela neliga esuka kuyo la sisuka phezulu kakhulu. And as for Izwide, our guys go in for a tight game. As you can see, it was physical. We did expect physicality because you guys really want to be in the grand challenge. But kuyo yonke nenzekileyo iRose iphumelele aphambili. But all I can say is we are very proud of the team, but we need to polish mistakes here here and there.
I could see fans in your private familiar faces. What it means they win for one.
It means a lot because iRose is a big club, but isidima sayo sihle kakhulu. So sithe kusixoxela unyaka sabenza isithembiso sokuthi bana sizanyusa iRose bephezulu. So as bebona nabo bana 2 wins in 2 weeks. Week third siyakuya ngoku hopefully the team is going to take another win again so they babona ukuthi xa sesisiya eParkeni bazoya ngobuninzi babo because iRose is going there now.
And you mentioned Ipaga, we're meant today but Iparkeni.
We meant to be a Parkeni, but QT politics, no Parka, English, stands, of which we understand. So we came here again and then we told ourselves, it's not about Tibala, it's about the team, it's about us playing together, and we did that. So we're not again.
KB, all the best for 3rd win in a row for next week.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, captain with confidence. We are next week, hopefully for a 3rd win. Dinga hit now, Slav at Azish. babukele emakhaya maninamkele ngoku sizawuthetha kunye namaqeqeshi bamaqela athi adlala namhlanje bona they will tell us about what they have learned, also the players abanazo preparing for i-league yabo badlalayo. Uyakhumbula ke uKaslam Derbies zigame whereby they are preparing for the upcoming league. Ezemidlalo guys silapha with the winning coach Praziba ibinjani game namhlanje, as much as first half you've made an early try?
Bintle kakhulu man, players displayed beautiful rugby from both sides, especially stars besibatelela ndizibonile players zam zibatelele kakhulu. There were lots of handling errors yenziwa indelelo ke laa nto kodwa ke badlalile kakuhle gqithi, especially second half yabo yabantle kakhulu and basothusile ngoku umntu othukile kodwa ke that's rugby for you, uyakusurprise umntu. So we need to be humble and make sure that we take every team ngendlela ekufuneka siyithathe ngayo.
As much as you're mentioning about you humble, you know, as game discuss debuts, yabona, you know, as fundayo as a coach, whenever you playing in these games, also with this turnout engaka.
Ndiyacinga uba abantu bakuthi bayayithanda rugby. I mean i-heritage yalapha elokishini eragbini inintsi, into nayo abantu bakuthi bebeyivinjwa okanye sithi bebangade baphakama. Ndiyavuya ke abantu beBombast, abanye oosekretary beklab zonke bathe bavuka benza sure uba iyenzeka le. Look how people indlela abahappy ngayo, uyabo si-happy nathi because ii-preps ezirayithi ukubhekisa kwe-league. So asijonganga kwelo cala, sijongene ngozo because i-most yee-clubs zethu ziyasokola financially, so siyancedakala nangezi takings sisonke size club sidlala.
Coach, all the best man for your next games.
Siyabulela kakhulu man, siyabulela nakuni, siqhubekeke nisipublisha, siyayinida le nto kwenzela abantu abasemakhaya babuye bazosibukela. Siyabulela kakhulu enkosi.
Praziba, thanks kakhulu bachibi, siyabulela kakhulu. Guys, ezemidlalo azishe, now I'm going to be joined by the losing coach. As much as they have lost namhlanje, they played well. As much as coach Team Yakho have lost today, you played well, to be honest, especially the first half and also even the second half. Guys, as you could see, election is live. I don't know how the coach, you have to budget those things. Coach, take us through the game.
Thanks for having me, media. Kamangu Sandile, Bavumi fan. Let's first well done for Bombers.
Yeah.
What I like, into bukudala besithandaze intoba njengoba thina sikule league incinci sidlala ne-league engasendle to make sure intoba iteam yethu siyibomba indawo na. We are very happy with the guys, they're playing very well. Even nomuntu belapha ubonile banayo, but at least those guys are playing. You see, so I want to say again, Bombers, thanks for Bombers. I'm not going to say anything about losing or what, but as preparation, siya ku-league umuntu uyazabe umenjani according to team yakhe. I'm very happy with the guys.
As much as Coach Nyan, I'm very happy with the team yakho, because of as much as you say when abedlala global division, buying high division, but ebaleni khange ibonakala lento leyo as umuntu obukele efana nami.
Yes, into besizixelele yona wena hlala ngaphambili intoba xa sifika apha sidlali na-Bombers, sidlala neteam ephambi kwethu, which is i-Bombers we respect but nethi ebaleni. We know that i-Bombers ikwi-Grand Challenge ikwa-Adams Cup, but xa sifika apha masingadisappoint abantu besibabizile, because all abantu basibabona bebebizwe sithi then at least masibabonise le nto bebeyifuna.
Coach, thanks man. All the best next games, ne?
Thanks.
Sure. As I mentioned, guys, Libala Legends, you could see the upcoming players in the corner, just doing interview with them. Now I'm being joined with Umpele, Coach Ekwaro. Coach, as much as the game, your team has some few errors, but you could see Ekwaro, kukhulu abantu beyazi onamdla ngova ngekwaro yiyo le ndibona namhlanje.
Ewe yiyo le Ekwaro bhuti wami, yiyo lena. Okay, namhlanje ayihambanga ihlobo besifuna ngalo igame. Amajita bengakuphangelanga. But ke yiyo Ekwaro leyana against Motherwell I think beyifuna more than thina le game namhlanje. And then ayifumene into beyifuna. As Ekwaro ke sisabuild apha isquad kwezi friendlies. Say appreciate le Kasi Derby because of ba siyabooster zonke teams zalapha elokishini ziyaphakama, support isikhona.
And the you mentioned about booster because I've seen abantu bayathengisa, there's a business people abakhoyo apha, also gate takings equal side for next week number 3 with Kasi Derbies. What do you promise as a coach? Yabona njoy sabotage as Ekwaro.
As a coach, ndifuna supporters singathi.
Let's go ikafondini.
Ndifuna supporters singathina. I can't promise too much because I'm khosebalini yawo. But into esifunayo ile vibe. Amajita be exposed kudlala phakathi kwabantu so that kukho umuntu lapha osuka somewhere ofuna iplayer mhlambe eKapa yabo uzoyibona kahle apha kule crowd lehlobo so amajita opportunities ezi so I so wish bayaz appreciate nawo because izinqabile into zilehlobo thina sikhule apha ubukelwa abantu abayi5 udlala but ngoku kukho abantu more than 1000 ebaleni yabo at least iyenzeka lento siyifunayo for supporters zethu mayingadinwa manikwaro sisayi build up lena kule quest friendly but xa sibuya strong bayayazi.
Coach, we are strong phela. All the best man game week 3 ne. Sabe dikhona.
Uzobulapha.
Ana kanjani? Coach Wekaro guys, as much as they disappointed beluzile, now I'll be joined by the winning coach, Coach Boni from Motherwell. Motherwell, I think he won Team Erabi, if I'm not mistaken. And I believe Team Erabi is one of the honest team strong in Motherwell. If correct me if I'm wrong, coach. Ibinjani ke?
Game yethu binhle kakhulu.
Yes.
Game yethu binhle kakhulu because ikwari besipreparele more than anything. But most of the players is now the team is new players. Yeah. And it's not kakhulu thina le derby game so that sizobona as players intsha. Yeah. So that it's been ukwazi ukuba ileague yethu ne players zethu ezintsha from the other side like esuke emaphandleni. Game yona nayo binhle man yabo ya ndabulela nami Kwaro although there was talks bezininzi yabo but ezo talks ezo zezimkileyo ngoku yabo so uzawucaca ubhas no class yabo but i-fixture nayeza sisayijongile rada sibe yi-submarine sihambe phansi kwamanzi.
And kuthethiwe kwamanye kwakhasi onxibelelwana benibukele pha ndimamele pha ngoba namhlanje ndifuna ubalava kule mesha namhlanje yintoni le ucingayo that ubu-apha ngayo kwiKwaru?
iKwaru kandicingele kakhulu mna kangako igame yabe ndibukele kule kuphela bendiyazi uba mazayibhotolosha phi okanye ndizayimosha phi so that in order uba ndiwine igame yam iKwaru ndiyiwinile kwigame yam ehlobo bendiyipreparation ngalo iKwaru.
Coach, thanks for your time. All the best to Game 3. Coach, guys, it was a coach with Motherwell. From myself, Ulinge Uzizibwabe, as a midlalo, at the grab the legends as issue. As a medal, guys, as he said, as I mentioned earlier, that man, smoke ground legends are. If you cannot mention any legend in the Eastern Cape without mentioning it, then as long as you tell it up. Next to me, I'm being joined by one of the legends, Mr. Machola. Shagazam, welcome to Azishe. Let me tell you, I'm Sanje. I wish you as a legend. What it means to the township.
Ngoska Kulum Sasaz. Ndisenda ufika apha khandeze last week. Ndabona ndakhumbula imini zakudala zaseDenqeqe in the 70s 80s where clubs used to play together fixtures in one field at Denqeqe. You can see the turnout yabantu. Even last week ndibonile kwi-social media the stadium was chock-a-block, which means abantu they are hungry for rugby. And I could wish if EP can use this concept now for the fixtures. Because the clubs selection if they can bring double headers or triple headers into this field, to attract the youth. Because the youth here to Isenamdla rugby, but if the clubs can always continue playing like this, I think we'll have a youth that will come and join in Ansika rugby again.
As one of the legends, the African Bombers, to hosting such events for the community, what it means?
It means a lot for us because Kokala African Bombers, one of the clubs as Labe 4 Plus, called Izwide. So Kana Silapa Denqeqe sisekhaya. So xa silapha sifuna into ba abantwana ihlumelo nalo libone, because we've got potential players that are coming through through the development of the club. So we are very happy to be here at home because it brings also families. You'll find namhlanje there are families abazali bazobukela abantwana babo, which is very good. It used to happen in the past, but ngoku iyabuya kwakhona. See African Bombers siyachulumanqa kakhulu.
Machola, thanks for your time, man. Sure. Guys, without going Kakhulu, as you know, the township, without Mr. Mali, one of the Lincoln Mali, one of the legends, actually, one of the people that he's pushing also agenda of the school's township rugby. The importance also Baumali, we know you from the township rugby schools. Today, we see local teams playing rugby. Qaba lawo.
Yo liphupho elikhulu eli ndikhule apha ndidlalela iSpring Roads Kavala kulamabala abantwana besuthi udlala esikolweni udlala eklabini and that's why I'm so passionate about school rugby because he feeder to e-clubs. Ndibone abantwana apha last week bama bebedlala kwiminyaka kwi-tournament badlala bako first team ndiyabuya again ndibona abanye. This must continue.
At Nampi Phayana, I saw some boys who played your tournament in Wolfsina at Cox Stadium. Then today's at Lala Apa. And lastly, your message, man, to the community of the township zonke.
Man, the Ngomez clubs, as clubs have done something great, must support with clubs so that we can grow this. Of course, second in Nagi, but you start with what you have and then you build it from there. So now I'm a big supporter. I'll always be there and the supporter and whatever they're doing.
Mr. Lau, thanks for your time and appreciate, man.
Thank you so much.
Sure, thanks, man. As a middle guys, Ziyasha, without the organizer of the event, it can't happen. Uvuyo will join me, Uvuyo as the organizer of the event. Uvuyo, Abantu Abangaka came, you push equal with teams as E5, including FN Bombers, 6 teams, township rugby, Nafika Zakona. Wrap it up, man, for us, and not even wrap it up for us, but wrap the day, because of week 3, week 4, and week 5.
Look, it's been a successful type of approach. You know, we are grateful to the community. We are grateful to the clubs as Koyo, to people that are getting out there, to get the concept out there. You know, it's growing from week in, week out. Guys need to make sure you come to it. And Ikasilam Rugby says, let's go forward and success all the way. And that's what we stand for, man. Bring the communities and let's bring hope together. That's what we stand for.
Thank you, brother. All the best. Sure. It's a Zemidlalo guys zichile nyani today where sibone top game last game whenever you last game any sporting code can be football can be rugby zonke crowd zonke supporters zihleli zilile lomdlalo of which Spring Rose also Uzwe United kangeke zifela abalandeli babekhona today babanikezela a good game and also the margin of these points the less Coach Luvuyo the game for on your side as much as we are doing also pre-season games Kaslam debuts lewi le loss today ithetho thini kuwe where you going to fix
Ndibulele kakhulu. Okay, koqala, let me congratulate Spring Rose for the win. I knew it was not going to be an easy game. It was going to be a tough game. This game for us, it was Lendo Besifuna Gad, so that we can actually plan a way forward going to EE season, E-League. So I'm happy that we had to face Spring Rose at this time, so that when we face them again, if we do come across them again, we know what to expect. So now for me, as a coach, it tells me that there are a few things that I need to fix. You know, breakdowns, my lineouts, those are the small things that I need to fix in order to move to progress that level.
Without mentioning by Kasle to Kaslam Tepis for the next 3 or 4 weeks is our brother Vuyo community man united yakona sibonle apha ezwide.
Yeah, yabona Kaslam Davies, I'm happy that see initiative so that to bring people together. I mean, like especially Lendo isenzeka apha, we always go to the other areas, the colored areas, the white areas to Irapi soloko isenzeka phayana kakhulu le vibe. So I'm happy that we brought it to abantwana bamnyama, abantwana bakoti, so that nathi sikhe sizobukela lento abantwana bathi bashiya endlini umntana aphuma endlini asithi ejimini ejimi Irapi. Now abazali babo, they can actually see now bangaba, okay, this is what our kids are doing.
Brother, all the best man this game.
Congratulations once again to Spring Rose. See you again. No. I mean, like it was a good game.
Yeah.
If Coach Wam is not gonna be that person, but the game was mine.
I think Coach must join us, Cole. You can see him on your side. Coach Cole.
But yeah, the better the mistakes is but that's what I need to fix. But Coach Wam, take it.
Guys, as much as Coach Luvuyo from Zwede, he mentioned that we don't Coach Cole, what it means whenever you counterpart, it can such respect, man.
Yeah, no, we come a long way, Coach Lavai. He used to be my jumper. I was because of that much of a connection. So I too, Spring Rose, that is, not Zuite, but I'm happy to see that Zuite standing up.
Yes.
They coming up. They came up from the regional league back to the Adams Cup. Bonagalba,
bayakhula nabo at the very same time. Yeah, so I'm happy for them.
Coach, I saw your team yakho, the unit from the first minute, man, like hleli khona pha, the unity to team yakho.
Yeah, the basis of Ilos Kulisagoyo tonight is the culture in and around the team. Rugby will sort itself out, but the most important thing is that the culture, your team, icon, and the brotherhood is always kept at a high level. That way, what happens on the field will be inevitable, win or lose. Yeah.
Back-to-back wins.
Back-to-back wins, preparation, that's the most important thing.
Yeah.
Learning how to play, how to grind it out, more especially in Namhlanje.
Yeah.
The game is really showed us that we can grind it out. That's the most important thing that we're taking away aspect of the game.
Yeah.
When things are not going well, can we then revert and see Lungisa Londole? Preparation is more important.
Yeah. Week 3 preparations.
Week 3 preparations, making sure that we tick all the boxes again.
Yeah.
Making sure that Endos is Zenza, Yotina Sifuno Zenza at our best capabilities, and making sure that rugby in our community is growing, not just seniors, but throughout the pathway.
Brother, thanks for your time, man. Good luck for next game.
Thank you very much. See you next week.
Guys, ezemidlalo with Coach Cole, rapid, nice and easy. Zonke ezemidlalo zishile azishe. Guys, ezemidlalo ke today siphela kanjalo at10 beke lapho benikhona namhlanje. Nizibonele with the coaches and the players. Tell us tell about their experience and also sayivala with legends ze-rugby ku-field ye-legends at10 ezemidlalo with myself, Ulingi Gcwabe azishe.